Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to enable TikTok two-step verification. Log into your specific account and click on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Then, after, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy option. From this page, you need to go ahead and click on Security and Permissions under the Accounts section. Then select two-step verification, which is between your devices, and save login info. Here, you'll get various different methods to enable your two-step verification via phone, email, authenticator app, and your passport. And you need to select at least two methods to do so. You can go ahead and check the box beside the option, and this will let me receive a verification code via SMS in order to log into my account. Likewise, you also have the option to go for Authenticator app. You can check this box right here and select turn on from the bottom. This way, you can easily go ahead and turn on your TikTok account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next.